Hi folks, welcome to my small English garden. I've got this Saturn peach here, but before I talk about it, I like growing fruit trees. I've got 2 apricots, black morella cherry, plum tree, and down the bottom I've got a nectarine. And I also like to grow melons and watermelons. This is a couple of my melons. Here's another one under there. And I'm waiting for my watermelons to grow a little bit bigger so I can put them in a bigger pot. Anyway, we're talking about peaches. Now this Saturn peach I had it for about quite a few years. All my fruit trees are semi-dwarf. I don't want them to get any higher. Now last year I had a lovely crop from this and a huge fruit. So this year, because of the weather conditions in UK, constant wind, rain, started to get a peach leaf curl. And then once I got rid of the peach leaf curl, then started to get shot disease, some sort of fungus. Let's pull that out so you can see properly. If you can see it, it's a perfectly circular holes, like someone shot it with a shotgun. So I tried everything. I tried variety of sprays. It didn't work. Neem oil didn't work, and I ordered a copper spray. But I don't think this spray that makes the tree pull out of his sickness. I think it's the weather condition, because in UK you're getting constant rain, wind, frost. Well, frost is in the winter, they're usually in dormancy. But anyway, when they start to come out of dormancy, you're supposed to spray them. But I didn't want to use copper spray, so I was using neem oil and other types of fungus killer. But I don't think it's any of them sprays that brings the tree back to life. I think it's the sun and the weather condition. As you can see here, the tree is looking beautiful. It's got a new growth, nice colourful leaves, healthy leaves. So anyway, I sprayed it with a copper spray. I don't know if it is the copper spray that's made it look healthy. So I should experiment next year, just use copper spray in November when the tree goes into dormancy, and in January when it comes out of dormancy, and let's see what happens. But that's not the video I'm doing it about the ants. Now I tried everything to keep the ants off. I tried the Vaseline down the bottom, I tried the duct tape, Gorilla tape, everything, but somehow the ants seems to be able to get up there. And what happens is they make a little hole in there gradually, and they get inside like this. Is it like this one here? Yeah, here we are, like this. Can you see? Look at the amount of ants in there. Look, they burrow in there, or even if the bird comes and pecks on it, then they find the opportunity to get through the hole. Look at the ants in and out. So that's the problem you get, the peaches. Alright, you might lose 1, 2, 3, 4 peaches, and then you might get some real good peaches, but it's not the point. I don't want no ants on here. I'm sure you don't want no ants on there as well, or any pest bugs. So as soon as you get rid of the peach leaf curl, shot disease, you get the ants. So it's constant battle keeping your fruit trees healthy, so you can pick a couple of fruits and taste it. I'll show you an example. Let's pull that one out. Now if I open that up, it's going to be full of ants inside. And look how dry that is. They sucked it dry, look. Can you hear it? It's like a sawdust. Look. They're attacking me now. Let's see if I can split it open. Still not ripe yet, but no. The fruit is not ripe, but the ants somehow made a hole in there and going in there and sucking it dry. So if it's not aphids, it's the ants. Aphids suck the sap out, ants go around the back of it and suck the aphids poo, or if they can get into the fruit, they'll get in the fruit and suck the fruit out from its juices. I'll go and throw this into the green bin, garden bin. So if you are growing peaches or apricots, any other fruit, try and keep the ants away from the fruits. Let's try this. Let's put the camera down. Look at the amount of ants in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out in a minute and spray it with a neem oil and a washing up liquid. Here we are. That's what happens if you don't keep the pests under control.